For this project, I cut simple bird shapes out of black construction paper. I poked a hole for each bird's eye and placed the beaks and bodies under the laser-cut wooden frames I found at the Dollar Tree. After deciding what my composition would look like, I transferred my design to the sheet of Sunprint paper, which is sitting on the bottom pane of glass in the floating frame. I use a floating frame to keep everything in place during exposure. You can use the acrylic sheet that comes with the Sunprint kit if you would like. I use this large floating frame because I like to expose 2 projects at once. I also added coins to weigh down the construction paper because it kept bending upward, and it's best to keep everything as flat as possible. Insert the top glass pane over your design and place it outside in a sunny area. I exposed this in the noonday sun for a couple of minutes. To develop your cyanotype, simply fill 2 baths with water, add a bit of hydrogen peroxide to your second water bath, immerse your print in the first water bath to rinse it. Rinse for a few minutes by rocking the water bath gently. When it has been thoroughly rinsed, immerse your print into the hydrogen peroxide bath. The hydrogen peroxide will speed up the oxidation process and reveal the iconic Prussian blue print. Remove your print and let it dry on a flat surface. For more cyanotype fun and DIY inspiration, visit my website, megandmorrow.com, and be sure to subscribe to this channel.